Siguro one of the recent ones nga na very happy ako with the fandom would have to be witnessing Suga on stage. Sobrang the the experience was overwhelming and alam mo parang the entire time na nandun tayo sa Bangkok, parang sobrang puro happy tears ako. Kasi sobrang grabe, iba-iba pala siya. And it doesn't matter kung Korean ka, Filipino, regardless of your nationality, we all share the same love for BTS. Tapos, sobrang nice lang to witness yung army bomb wave na hindi ko siya nawi-witness sa TV
Oo.
lang. So, kahit
Mm.
alam mo yung nag-aantay tayo ng mag-start yung concert, the fans find ways to entertain themselves. Tapos yun, parang, shucks, ang saya pala ng feeling na makikiganyan ka na ng army bomb mo na hindi ka, live viewer on screen. So, yun.